Hi everyone. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial where I'll show you how to apply for a job using the Indeed app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Indeed app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your Indeed account using your email or social media account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Indeed homepage. To search for jobs, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter keywords related to the job you're looking for, such as job title, skills, or company name. You can also add a location to find jobs near you. Browse through the job listings and tap on a job title to view the details. Make sure to read the job description, requirements, and company information carefully. On the job details page, review the job description, responsibilities, and qualifications. If you're interested, tap the Apply button to start the application process. Some jobs allow you to apply directly on Indeed using your Indeed resume, while others may redirect you to the company's website. If it's an Indeed Apply job, you'll see a simple form to fill out. Once you've filled out the required information, review everything to ensure it's accurate. Then tap Submit Application to send your application to the employer. Congratulations! Your application has been submitted. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more career tips and tutorials.